Topic: circle. A circle is a plane figure that has the same distance from the circumference to the center all through. Properties of a circle. Diameter. Diameter is a line that passes through the center of a circle. Radius. Radius is a line that runs from the circumference to the center. Chord. A chord is a line that divides the circle into two unequal parts. While a diameter divides it into two equal parts, a chord divides into two unequal parts. Length of chord. The length of chord is given as L equal to 2R sine open bracket theta over 2 close. Length of arc. The length of arc is given as theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Area of sector. The area of sector is given as theta over 360 times pi r squared. Perimeter of sector is given as L plus 2R. Area of minor segment. This is given as area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of major segment. This is given as area of circle minus area of minor segment. Question. A circle has a radius of 21 centimeters and an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Determine A, the length of the chord, B, the length of the arc, C, the area of the sector, D, perimeter of sector, C, area of the minor segment, and D, area of the major segment. Solution. L equals 2R sine theta over 2. L equals 2 times 2, 21, sine 60 over 2. When simplify, we have 42 sine 30, that's 21 centimeters. B, length of arc. Length of arc is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. That is 60 over 360 times 2 pi times 21 equals 22 centimeters. C, area of sector. The area of sector is given as theta over 360 times pi r squared. We'll put the values, we have 231 centimeters squared. Perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector is given as L plus 2R. That is 22 plus 2 times 21 equals 64 centimeters. And E, area of minor segment, is area of sector minus area of triangle. That is 231 minus half r squared sine theta. When simplified, is 40.04 centimeters squared. F, area of major segment. The area of major segment is given as area of circle minus area of minor segment. That is pi r squared minus 40.04, which is 22 over 7 times 21 squared minus 40.04 close bracket centimeters squared. That brings us to the end of the topic, circle.